Hey kids! Today, I'm going to show you how to multiply decimals by decimals step by step. We have two fun examples that are a little different, so pay close attention and watch until the end to learn both methods. Let's get started. To solve this problem, we first ignore the decimal points for a moment and multiply 56 by 7. We start with the number 7 in the ones place. First, multiply 7 by 6. 7 times 6 equals 42. We write down the 2 and carry over the 4. Next, multiply 7 by 5. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now add the carried over 4. 35 plus 4 equals 39. That gives us the answer 392. Next, we count the decimal places in the original numbers. The number 0.56 has 2 decimal places, and 0.7 has 1 decimal place. That gives us a total of 3 decimal places. Now we take our answer, 392, and move the decimal point 3 places to the left. 392 becomes 0.392. So the final answer is 0.392. We finished our first calculation. Now we solve our second equation. 1.2 times 3.8 equals. First, we ignore the decimal points for a moment and multiply 12 by 38. First, multiply 8 by 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. We write down the 6 and carry over the 1. Next, multiply 8 by 1. 8 times 1 equals 8. Now add the carried over 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. That gives us the first number, 96. Now we multiply 12 by 3 in the tens place, which really means 30. First, multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Next, multiply 3 by 1. 3 times 1 equals 3. That gives us 36. But because the 3 is in the tens place, the number becomes 360. Now we add the two answers together. 96 plus 360 equals 456. Next, we count the decimal places in the original numbers. The number 1.2 has 1 decimal place, and 3.8 has 1 decimal place. That gives us a total of 2 decimal places. Now we take our answer, 456, and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 456 becomes 4.56. So the final answer is 4.56. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to multiply decimals step by step. Keep practicing, and these math problems will become easier and faster every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math videos and challenges. See you in the next video!